All right. Well, I've been at it about 5 minutes here today, and there's my first smallie of the day. Water's still stained. We had an enormous amount of rain here in southern Indiana, so the creeks and such are just coming back down. And there's the first one, probably about a 13-incher. And we're hoping for a lot more and some bigger fish today. So thanks for coming along with me again on another video here with flyfishingwithjeff.com. Oh yeah, there we go. That's what we're looking for. Good timing, huh? Not a big one, but he's a one. Another smallie. I know there's spotteds in this stream as well. Beautiful little fish. Look at all the striping. And so that's what we're doing. We are here today fishing for smallmouth here in southern Indiana. And once again, thanks for coming along with me. There we go. All right, had to be a good one in there. Yeah, it's a little better fish. All right, nice. There we go, that's a beaut. That's what we're after right there, folks. Got my yellow fly. And again, I'm with yellow today because the water's just it's just enough off-collared that yellow is clearly more visible. There we go. We're going to put him back in there. All right. That was a nice fish. Done. Right, beauty. Look at that. But there really isn't much of a prettier fish here in Indiana than a smallmouth. And man, we get them in so many different colors, from real light yellow to all the way to black. Just love these fish. That one right in there next to that root ball came right out after it. Let's see, he is right at 15. We're going to let you go and see if we can find another one right up here. Uh-oh. I got one, but I foul hooked him. Let's see what he looks like anyway. He's like a darn snake is what it looks like. Feels like a darn snake. Oh, they're spawning. That's what's going on. Look at that guy. Yeah, that's what's going on right there. Tell me that's not an odd looking fish. Got all those teeth up front. All right, buddy. There we go. Had to be one in there. There he was. All right. So sometimes what you got to do, folks, is you just have to pound the cover. And if you can see, we've only got about 20 foot of good cover right here. That's why I like this type 1 sink tip line, because I can fish it from the cover out and you can almost see the color change in the water, and then pick it up, splash it, plop it right back in there, and you're really fishing the cover thoroughly. There you go, there's a nice one. He's no giant, but we'll take him. He's probably 12. Got a little tummy, nice healthy fish. So again, what we're trying to do is we're just like a guy in a boat would be doing. We're popping that fly right down across. Now, as you can see, the collar starts to change, and I'm going to pick it up. And I'm not wasting time with false casting. I'm simply getting my fly. Once I kind of run out of that collar and I'm back into the more shallow area, I'm putting it right back, and I'm covering as much surface area of that water as I possibly can. So that's kind of what we're talking about here. All right. Easy now. All right. Got a little jump in him. A little better fish. Easy now. Easy. Mouthful of fly too. Beauty. Look at that. See what you are. You're about a little over 15. Got to be a big one prowling in there. There it is. Well, he's not huge, but he was prowling right there. All right. Had to be. Let's get a start there and kind of work our way up.